How you doing, guys? Chad Anglin here with Lean Manufacturing with WireCrafters, and today we're going to kind of reintroduce Lean Manufacturing with WireCrafters. And the first video, we're going to go through how we go about our Lean Manufacturing. We go after the 8 sins of waste when we look at Lean, and we remember it through the acronym TMP-WOOD. TMP-WOOD stands for Transportation, Inventory, Motion, Potential Unused, Waiting, Overproduction, Overprocessing, and Defects. In this first video, I'm going to give you a brief rundown of what each one of those mean, and then over the next series of 8 videos, we're going to get into show you one improvement we've made around each one of those 8 sins of waste and how we become a better company because of it. So follow along our journey, and hopefully you can take something from the videos. So T is for transportation. Transportation is the movement of material information between processes or between departments. You want to eliminate as much transportation as you can and stack things closer. I is for inventory. Inventory is when you don't have the parts or information you need to complete a certain task. So if you're leaving boxes open when you complete others because you didn't have the proper inventory to finish that. M is for motion. Motion is any wasted movement within a particular process or work center. So if you've got a guy that starts at one end of the table, walks over here to store his nozzle, and then walks back to weld, that's a motion waste. P is for potential unused. No matter where you work, no matter what you do for a living, your greatest resource is your people. You want to tap into the potential of your people to eliminate waste. W is for waiting. Anytime you're standing around waiting on any material information, you're at a waste. The first O in TMP-WOOD is overproduction, which is making more material than what is needed or making material earlier than it's required to be made. The second O in TMP-WOOD is overprocessing. Simply put, doing more work than what is required. And the final letter in TMP-WOOD to eliminate our 8 sins of waste is D for defects. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching the Lean Manufacturing with WireCrafters series. And as always, feel free to like, feel free to comment, feel free to ask questions, whatever you need to do to open that dialogue so that we can all learn Lean, so we can all get a little bit better and continue on our Lean and continuous improvement journeys together. I'm always available to answer questions and open that dialogue. Thanks a lot.